Hello friends, welcome to our new video series where we will be providing you a weekly update on the news from financial sector which matters to you. My name is Raghu Kumar, a certified financial planner by qualification and founder of FinSim. Indian economy is likely to grow at 6% in financial year 2024. This is as per a poll conducted by Economic Times based on the responses from 20 economists. India will still remain the fastest growing major economy. RBI earlier this month had given a growth projection of 6.5% for financial year 2024 and IMF has put it at 5.9%. The poll also suggested that inflation will fall within RBI's inflation target band of 2 to 6% to 5.3% in FY24. Most of us would have heard about the career growth associated with data science and artificial intelligence. Our income tax department, with the help of data analytics and AI, has identified instances where around 8,000 taxpayers tried using donations to charitable institutions as the medium for tax avoidance. In addition to serving notice to the taxpayers, Income Tax Department is also closely reviewing the licenses of the tax filing individuals and charitable institutions who are party to these transactions. If proven, both of them will lose their respective licenses. Earlier during the week, there was a rumor in the market that the Finance Ministry is reviewing the proposal to make amendments to the capital gains taxation to remove the concessions which is being provided currently. This resulted in a small correction of around 0.6% on an intraday basis. However, Finance Ministry came out with a clarification that this is just a rumor and there is no such proposal which is under their review. In December 2022, a Delhi High Court judgment said the right to life includes right to health and directed the IRDAI to call a meeting of all insurers to design schemes for people with disabilities and introduce them preferably within the next 2 months. Thanks to this judgment, IRDAI had issued a circular in February wherein it mandated general and standalone health insurance companies to launch and offer their products for specially abled individuals immediately. These policies are supposed to cover mental illness, AIDS, HIV, and disabilities. On the back of this circular, general insurance companies will seek tax exemption or direct subsidy to provide full coverage to specially abled individuals through new product offerings. This is as per some of the industry executives. This is a developing story and we will keep you posted. Number of active traders on NSE has reduced from 3.8 million users back in June 2022 to 3.2 million users in March 2023. This is a direct result of work from home policy coming to an end with most of the organizations and also equity markets consolidating over the past 1.5 years. Let's take a look at how the financial markets performed last week. Amongst the broader indices, Nifty went down by 1.14%, whereas the mid-cap and small caps outperformed the large caps and ended the week with a gain of 0.31%. Amongst the sectors, IT took a major beating on the back of disappointing results and weak revenue forecast from IT major Infosys. In the commodity space, gold was down by 2.32% and crude oil fell by 5.72%. Indian rupee fell by 0.38% against US dollar. Most of the indices across the world were flat this week. However, the MSCI Emerging Market Index, which primarily invests in large and mid-cap companies from emerging markets, was down by 1.79%. Companies have been announcing results for the fourth quarter of financial year 2023, and amongst the major companies which announced results last week, Infosys disappointed the street both in terms of its earnings as well as from a future revenue forecasts. Reliance surprised the street with excellent results. Net profit for the quarter was 19% higher in comparison with the same quarter last year. Reliance retail business delivered a robust performance. ICICI Bank posted strong numbers for the quarter. Net profits jumped by 30% on an year-on-year basis. ICICI Bank also declared a final dividend of 8 rupees per share. On the regulatory front, two major news is floating in the market. First one is the step taken by IRDAI to set up an insurance exchange called Bima Sugam. Initial proposal to set up Bima Sugam was put forward in September 2022 and it's picking steam now. This exchange is built to facilitate purchasing of new insurance policies by customers, porting of policies from one insurer to the other, and it's also expected to facilitate the claims process. This is a developing story and we will share the updates as and when we receive it. Second news is with respect to the mutual fund charges, wherein a proposal has been put forward before SEBI to allow mutual funds to charge additional fees when the schemes manage to outperform their benchmark indices on a regular basis. With good number of funds not being able to beat the indexes, this will definitely work as a good incentive for the fund manager to deliver more returns to the end investors. Hope you like this new series. If you like the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video and also click on the bell icon to receive notifications as and when new videos are uploaded. You can always reach out to us on the mobile number and the email ID listed on the screen for a 15 minutes consultation without any obligation, and we would be more than happy to assist you with your queries. Thank you.